Hello and welcome to another quick update about Harmony One. Harmony One is still in the same pattern as it was a couple of days ago when I did my last update video, so I didn't really do an update sooner. We are still, in my view, consolidating here and pulling back to a trend line, or rather pulling back to the 20-day moving average, because if you remember, we had here on the chart this ascending trend line, and very close to that, because we adhered to that trend line back here as well. But also we adhered very well to the 20-day moving average. And as you can see, we actually dropped here recently below that trend line, but we are still above the 20-day moving average and found support there. That is currently giving us very clear support here. And I did say the breakout needs to happen above this level here, 30 point, no, what was that level? Just look at 31.5 cents. Now, that hasn't really happened yet. We did a bit of a fake out here, came all the way down. So yeah, it was not solved in a bullish way, at least not yet. I think still this is the same pattern that we did here. Moved up strongly, pulled back, moved up strongly, pulled back, and that could now be the beginning of another move up. Yeah, maybe to the previous high here at 37 cents, bit higher, and we could then from there out move up to the next fib level, the 1.272 extension level at 45 cents. So let's just go to the 4-hour chart. There you can see it clearer. We are currently coiling up here for something. So first of all here, you can see the double top that we had. Obviously after that we came down. Bearish pattern, by the way, a reversal pattern. So it was quite, not always obvious, but you could have smelled before that we are going down here. And from here now, we are consolidating bullish in my view. We're making higher highs, higher lows, 1, 2, 1, 2. And getting into the apex here now, we are below the trend line, but still, we're coiling up just below just below a horizontal resistance line, which is a bullish consolidation, which indicates you've got something here like a breakout buildup where really the sellers can't push the price away anymore from that horizontal level. I think as soon as we get above that level, which is at 38.5, maybe a little bit higher, 38.8, then you get the breakout. And that could be a big breakout as we had back here, when we moved above that fib level. Remember that was the 0.618 fib level. When we broke above that, I think we had a triangle formation back here, moved up quickly, retraced, moved up quickly. Now we have another major pullback. Well, you can call it major, it wasn't really major, not for crypto. But now we could really be similar to here when we have sort of a breakout happening to the upside. You can expect another major move here to the upside. That's what I see, as long as we have support here by the 20-day moving average. Now, should we really drop below the 20-day, that could then potentially really take us down to the previous low here of 27 cents, which for me would be possibly another good entry point. At the moment, I think still a potential good buying opportunity as soon as we see that breaking here to the upside. Until then, obviously, it's not a confirmed move to the upside, but it's looking bullish, like a bullish consolidation. On the 4-hour chart here, we're not overbought anymore. We were overbought, obviously, that's why we had to retrace. And even here on the daily, we have retraced far enough so that it's not overbought any longer. And we are also potentially getting here on the daily now another buy signal on the MACD. It looks like the MACD is turning around here. The selling pressure is losing steam, and we could really see that reversal for further moves to the upside above the previous high, which was, let me just go back, that double top here at 38 cents roughly. And if we can get above that, as I said, the next extension level is 1.272 extension, 45.5 cents. Above that, we've got 55.5 cents. It's the 1.618, and above that, 66 cents. And all of that will, in my view, be reached and achieved anyway in this alt season, in this bull run. So all of the ups and downs here currently that we see is just the noise. Try to see the bigger picture. I expect further price increases in the next few weeks and months anyway. So hopefully you liked that update. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.